Hello guys, my name is Rebeam. In this video we're gonna play some Skywars. So yeah, let's go. Solo. Come on. Let's see what is going on. This guy is sitting on anvil. What? Okay, I think that's normal. Let's do some parkour. Let's go. Bam. Oh, no. No! I wanna do parkour. Bam! Let's take this box first because yeah, I want to open this. What? That's a lot of eggs. No. No. Yes. Yes. Come on. Come on, little guy. No, you're not gonna beat me. No, because I don't have ammo. GG, man. No. Oh no. No. I died. No. I fell down. It's okay. Let's go again. Let's make the parkour first because that's important. I think that's not important. Oh no. No. Yes. Yes, come on. Dream, come on, Dream. I wanna kill Dream. Yes. I'm a Dream fan because she's good at Minecraft. I think she holds the world record. I think because Dream, not Dream. I don't know how to spell it, so yeah. We don't have cobweb. No. I have blocks, so I'm gonna risk it. Yes, boys. Nothing good. Why? No. I'm gonna take this. No, you're not. Go away.